Hello everyone, today we'll talk about the 10 peso coins of the Philippines. But before we continue, please subscribe to my channel, Jose TV3. Okay guys, this is the obverse of this coin. You will see here the coat of arms and year 1988. The coin was minted. On the lower side, there is a 10 peso and on the upper side, you will see here, Republika ng Pilipinas. Now, I will show you the reverse side of this coin. So this is the reverse. On the upper side, you will see here, People Power Revolution. And on the lower side, Philippines, February 22 to 25, 1986. And this one is the people, a crowd of people, and this is the military tank, and this is the flag of the Philippines. Now let's continue. The Philippine 10 peso coin featuring the year 1986 is a commemorative issue for the People Power Revolution, though it was actually minted and released in 1988 to mark the historic events of February 22, 25, 1986. Now let's talk about the coin details. Commemoration, People Power Revolution as a revolution. Struck year on coin, year 1988, marked with the events dates February 22, 25, 1986. Now let's talk about the composition. Pure nickel, weight and size, 22 grams, 36 millimeter in diameter. Now let's talk about the obverse. Philippine coat of arms with text Republika ng Pilipinas and 10 peso. Reverse, crowd of people with a flag and a military tank. Now let's talk about the value. Value, face value, while some online sellers or casual owners mistakes it has a rare high value. Antiques worth hundreds of dollars. Forum users on Reddit note that it is actually quite common. Current price of this coin typically valued between 15 pesos to 50 pesos, roughly $3 to $5, depending on its condition and whether it is still sealed. It is original Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas blister pack. Okay guys, this is the commemorative coins of the People Power Revolution year 1986. So this is a collectible also because of the historic of the People Power during the year 1986. So I'm sure this is a collectible, but I will not mention any amount or value of this coin because the collector will tell you the value of a coin, because the value of your coin, it depends on the condition of your coins. Anyway, before I end, please subscribe to my channel, Jose TV3.